Hello, everyone. I'm Supervisor Jim Desmond here with your daily coronavirus update for San Diego North County. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, and just want to let you know we had a board meeting today. And at the board meeting, we had a presentation on the coronavirus, pretty in-depth about all the different departments working, and I've got a flow chart of all the different services that are being offered at the county and how they're managing all of it. And quite frankly, being in on the conference calls every morning with the updates of what's going on, you got a lot of great people at the county doing good things, trying to get us through this coronavirus. On the last, as of last night, the total number of people with the coronavirus that had tested positive in San Diego County is 230. Today at the board meeting, I asked the question, out of that 230, we've been gathering these numbers since mid-February, out of that 230, how many people have actually gone through the 14-day self-isolation and now are not showing any symptoms? And unfortunately, with all the prevention efforts right now, we really haven't been able to keep track of how many people are feeling better out of the 230. But we're going to ask for that we could start tracking those numbers. Of that 230, 37 of them are actually hospitalized. And so we know they're still having some issues. But today also at the board meeting, we voted on a couple different things, one of which was to help restaurants. Hopefully get restaurants by removing some of their fees and inspection fees. Inspections still have to take place, but removing some of those fees for the next 6 months and hopefully making their tasks and their jobs a little bit easier. It's going to essentially save maybe up to each restaurant up about $2,000 in the long run. We also asked the county to put together a task force to help restaurants get back on their feet once the crisis is over. Once a green light gets turned on and we're able to turn that corner, we want to be able to allow restaurants to open up quickly, get their people back to work and back on the jobs. We also had an agenda item today on the board meeting concerning evictions, putting in a moratorium on evictions if tenants it can prove that they're having a hardship due to COVID-19. However, if they can pay the rent, do pay the rent. But if they can prove they're having some issues, then I think up to maybe I think it's like 90 days to pay their rents before they have before eviction process and things like that can take place. So it's going to be a hardship on the landowners, but we want to make sure that people aren't needlessly getting evicted, particularly over the coronavirus. So as usual, take care of yourself, stay sheltered in place as best you can, keep that social distance, keep washing your hands, and we're going to see some light at the end of the tunnel soon, I'm hoping, and everybody's out there doing their best. We're very proud of all of our San Diego residents who've done the shelter in place and continuing that and in that effort, and we will get through this together. Thank you.